Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I was just sent this from Cheng. This here is an electric pruning set. It actually comes in a really nice case. I've already opened this up and had a quick look. You've got your instruction guide in here, but loving the fact that everything came in this nice compact area here so you can take it with you. You've got your charger, you've got your 20 volt, 2 amp hour battery with an indicator on there to show you how much charge you have. They also send you with some lubricating solution, a little hex key, as well as a sharpening stone, so that way you can sharpen your blades on this. They even send you with an extra set of blades so that you've got that at the ready. Liking the fact that this is a brushless unit. It's also in this nice holster, which I wasn't sure about at first, but the more I've started messing with it, I actually really like it, because if you're outside gardening or trimming trees or pruning, it's nice to have a place that you can put that, flip it around your back and do it crossbody, or hook it around a tractor or something if you're going to be out. Then you can just pull it out. Now this is a nice unit, very solid, brushless motor again in this, so that's really nice. Everything is rubberized around the edge and a very solid feel. Got your little trigger mechanism here that you can easily pull down to do that, and then you are ready to trim some bushes. So we're going to get this thing turned on. Once you get this thing on, you can actually adjust it with 4 different settings down here to adjust that as well. But it cut up to 1 1/4 inch bushes with this. It comes pre-oiled and everything with that, and it is sharp, so you got to be careful. But now it's just as simple as pulling the trigger on this guy. I mean, that lopped that off. This will do up to 2,000 cuts on a single battery, which is fantastic. You're no longer having to cramp your hand trying to crank all that. And this is dead branches, guys. This is probably the hardest stuff I'm going to have to cut. And I mean, it is just chomping through. That is going to be great. This is going to save a lot of time and effort. Loving the fact that it can do that, and liking the fact that it has this holster that I can sheath that into, and a nice carrying case to keep it all put together. Thank you guys for sending it.